Hello. I think I am like uh not really sure what is uh which one is why is the screen dark? I think something is wrong with the setup. Uh, oh, I don't know why I can't see my screen. How do you verify? Oh, it's a black screen, of course. How do I fix this? 1 second. Screen capture. Okay. Oh, I think it's doing now. Okay. How do I fix it? Okay, I think this is perfect. So let me see. Oh, okay, it seems to be working, I guess. Okay, I don't know how is the audio. Hello. I think volume is at full. Let me see what are the filters. I think I have to stop screen audio. Okay, that's fine. Gain is, I can increase it till that. Okay. Hello. Okay, perfect. Audio looks fine. Let me get some music first. Okay. What should I think? F1. I think the F1 album is pretty good. Maybe I can start there. Okay. I don't know, like if the new Mac update is, it's. I think we are just so used to seeing the different Mac, so it just looks very different, I guess. Anyways, let me guess it's done. So I don't have a very good idea of what we are going to do today. So let me put some Chinese song. I'm into Chinese song these days, so let me see. Some soundtrack would do, I guess. What should I listen to? So something very. Maybe I'll just put like if on album, but without. I think the original soundtrack I can put, I guess. Let's see, where is that? Okay, cool. So I don't know. It's been a long time. I guess I think the last stream was when I was working on Rotor, and think I think that's a long time back. That's like some 4 months back. So that's there. Uh, After that, I don't know. A lot of, I mean, it's just mostly busy at work. Uh, and just I don't know, like moving around a lot. Home. I didn't go anywhere though. I think after August, did I go somewhere? No, I don't think so. So that's there. Then I think it just work mostly. Also, I don't know like how from July to till now. I think the second half of the year it just literally flew. Uh, so that is also there. Uh, Alarm running. I guess I think that's it. Like it's been very just hell of a busy year this year compared to last. Uh, just been doing a lot of stuff. Uh, and a lot of work outside work as well. Not much traveling. Lot of small projects and a lot of learning on a different on different fronts. Personal work and uh, code and whatnot. I think it just a little bit of everything. I guess. I think the gain is too much. Let me reduce it by a little. I think so too. Oh, oh, you can go minus gain. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't know that. Yeah. I think today I don't know what to do. I think I've been thinking. Actually, not thinking. So mostly I write tools to help myself. Uh, so if you don't remember, this is what I wrote a few months back, which is basically you can rotate secrets quickly if you for a particular shell session, and it's called rotor because it rotates. I know it sounds stupid. Um, so what has happened? It's actually it's extremely stupidly written. I would say it's just so uh, too much simplified code. Also, what is this theme? I forgot. I don't know what theme is. Oh, it's IU Dark. Okay. So the problem is because I never handled a lot of cases, though it works. I'll show you one thing. Try to rotor 0, maybe 0, and if I run it again, I think it should fail. Oh, okay. I don't know why it's not failing, but it used to fail. 2. Okay, I don't know. So the issue here is what used to happen. I think if I do maybe multiple secrets, that would break. Low row key. Also, because I am on Vim, why not so keys? Uh, that is so super great. Uh, uh, so what was label again? Oh yeah, you can put names. I guess I think that's what was label. So maybe do like level 4. Hello Broky. Uh, right. I think it will fail when I do this. If I do 1, 0. I don't know why is it not failing now. It used to fail. Okay, whatever. So primarily the reason was to fix. I mean, I haven't. I think I have stuck at this point in the Rust book. So I think I went till crates and I just got lost in many different things. I just couldn't focus on continuing. So what has happened is I have mostly forgotten. I mean, not mostly. I would say maybe 30% memory is gone, right? I mean, on the syntax. I think I remember most of the stuff. Probably the ownership basics. I have to go and read again. I guess that's the thing about learning anything, right? Like you don't practice and it goes out pretty fast. That's there. Uh, I think what I wanted to do today is just see and try if I can rewrite the entire thing with something else. So because when I started writing this, I was learning, and again I'm still learning though, uh, and I haven't made any progress. So that's another thing. But what I want to try and see is, considering I used all the basic uh, uh, like Rust syntax and Rust features. So I want to see like if I put a library, some kind of CLI library. I don't know. I think Rataway, I've heard about it. I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's so famous. Okay. So I don't think we need this big of a library. We probably need something super stupid. And I guess this is more like an UI library and less like a CLI library. Oh yeah. Oh, of course it has. Oh, it has a calendar. Okay. That is very interesting. I don't know how to even do that. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. This is one way of doing it, I guess. Uh, Again, like I don't think we need that complicated of a library. So what I want to do is simple. So let me just scribble it out quickly. I'll name it uh, ro rotor. Oh wait, I want to abbreviate to RRR. I guess if you can. I don't know if you can do that. Rotor. Uh, refactor. Refactor. Ready. Ready wrote. Okay, something like this. I guess. I think this works. Yeah. Uh, this is our stream title, I guess. Right. So what we're going to do is simple. Just habit of doing markdown from linear. So pretty simple. I'll go and see if I can find some simple library. So I don't know if you folks are you should know there is something called Clack.js, I guess it's called. Oh, who names their company bombs there? Okay, I'm not doing it. So what this does is this actually uh, I think someone from the Astros team has built it because I've seen it in quite a few places. I think the Wheat scaffolding tool also uses it, so that's another thing. Um, so what I want to do is something like this, where if you invoke rotor now, it looks something like this. I just want to make it pretty and look something like this, right? Uh, I mean this is way too pretty. We don't want this good, I guess. I think we something simple would also do. And I don't know. I think this has good enough stars. 300. I think that's enough. I think maybe. But I was just going through the API and it looks pretty straightforward. I think this is some new instance and a lot of uh, metadata about the tool, I guess, and some. I have seen this somewhere. Some library has this exact same API. I guess this is some library from Gleam ecosystem. I don't know. Let me see. It's called command something like that. Not that. Anyways, so this is very uh, like configuration. Uh, like you create commands and they just add it up all together, and now we have a tool. I mean, your entire CLI, right? So I want something like this. Again, I don't think we need flags and stuff. If you look at rotor in like in its entirety, it's only two commands, I guess, right? So you have init, which will just bootstrap your uh, secrets file. Oh, I think that's cat or bat. Do I have bat? I don't know if this system has it. Secrets RC. Oh, okay. So it will bootstrap something like this, and that's the init command. And if you can print the help. I don't know. I added one help command. Oh, of course it won't work. Does this work? Okay, great. Then why is it even there? Okay, never mind. So so what I want to do is put some library in front and just make it probably look little pretty, and maybe write few specs. I have never actually written specs till now. And I remember if I remember correctly, Rust, you can write like in source specs in Rust. If I'm not wrong, let me see. This should have. And I think you can. Yeah, something like this. Yes. So I'd also like to see if I can write some tests. So that's another thing. but I would say for today's goal, which we should keep it very humble goals. So first one is try finding a CLI builder library. Very simple enough. I think there is a massive ping because from whatever I write it, I can see it takes like few seconds. um, and what are you doing next? For move to a not move. Try making the init command work, which bootstraps the basic secrets file, right? And once we make it work, yeah, put the library in front and add both init and uh, help and init help and command. Main command is basically if we directly invoke the CLI tool, right? So I think maybe we can stick with this. It looks simple enough, so I don't think there is any problem. Uh, yeah. Actually forgot how to install a package. Let's see. How can I forget that? Create. Uh, uh, let's see. Is it cargo add? Oh, nice. Oh, stupid. I think the docs would have it now somewhere. Documentation is here. Oh, I think that's the API doc. Super. Okay. Seahorse. Can I do this? Can I do this? Oh, okay. Turns out I still remember. Great. We'll go to new branch and we call it Refactor CLI library. And also part of the reason I just felt like streaming today. I think for a while now, maybe not today. I've just been feeling maybe I should try doing like what happens is when you uh, don't do anything, right? I mean anything like things that you truly like doing, right? So what happens is you found unit type. Oh, okay. I think we have to just do this and it should be fine. Perfect. How do I do remove? Great. Oh, I didn't do remove all. Oh, there is still more. Okay. Okay, great. I guess we can keep this because after formatting, this is what we'll have. And I think I got rid of the formatting logic as well. I think that's completely fine. Let's keep it. I mean, let's get it out. Maybe I can try uh, writing it in a different way, right? Or should I keep the scope small and just look at one thing? Maybe I can also do that. One second. So this we can keep secret. I think the parser can be kept. This we can get rid. Print secret values. Why do we need this? run main read chosen secret create an secret. Okay, that we don't need. Value index possible values, all that we don't need. So print secret value also we don't need because there is no indices anymore. Running it, I think we need this, but more than this, I guess this will move to the command so that we can also get rid. Okay, I think we can just return the unit. Oh, oh, sorry. Oh, it's already wrapped. Okay, never mind. Keep forgetting. Okay. Secrets we have all the values. I don't think we need to touch these. We can keep it. I don't need to touch these as well. Help we also don't need. Sorry. Oh, this is main. Okay, we don't need help because help will build with. Oh, what's the you want cell secrets? So I guess that was. I think I have to. I'm getting one replay out. Just a second. So let's say, I mean, what are secrets is basically, let's say you have a lot of tools. Maybe you have a Gemini key, right? Or you have open router key, and let's say you have any secret or cell secrets to say, right? Uh, and what happens is maybe when you are working on some AI tool or whatever, right? Where you have limits on your keys. If you have multiple keys or you have multiple accounts and there are different keys from that, right? So what you can do is you can rotate a different value for the same secret. For example, if I run rotor and demo has these three values, what I can say is from now on, if I put uh, demo, so then you can take the second value instead of whatever was set before, right? So now if I do echo key, so as you can see, it's the second value, right? So you can quickly change, like you can quickly rotate between multiple values for the same secret. So that's what rotor is, and the secrets is basically secrets, whatever, right? Okay, so we don't need help and we don't need a lot of things here. I think all of that is gone now. We need secret value, so that is there. Let me go and see how do you get started. Module you don't need, we need app, author, app new, CLI. Okay, so so it's working with anyway. Yes, it is. So what happens is we can just like whatever let's say for any key, if you have like some 5-6 values, you can rotate between those 5-6 values for that particular secret uh, very quickly. So that's the whole deal about rotate. So particularly my problem was like with secrets, it's been like if I have like 2-3 Gemini keys or open router keys or whatever. So because I mostly have why does it need to be rotated? I'm not familiar with AAP. I mean, AAP keys is just one use case. It can be anything. I mean, again, right, it was very particular to my use case where I had multiple keys with multiple accounts, which and I kept hitting limits, so I had to keep selecting between different keys, and then just then use whatever service I'm using, right? Like, but primarily Gemini, because I had 2-3 accounts. So so again, it can be anything. I don't know, like, if there is any other use case that is there, but I mean, yeah, I mean, that was my use case. I mean, why I had to write this. Uh, yeah. So okay. Okay, I got interrupted just a second. Yeah. So I think this is arguments. That would be automatic, I assume. So I don't need to do anything. Create a new instance of app. Yeah, thanks. Uh, okay. I think I can just copy paste it, but let me write it out. I guess that would just for like practice, right? That is run main. Also, how do you structure? Oh, okay. So main has this now. Oh, so which means we don't need all of this gymnastics. We don't need. Probably need it. That is help. Oh, yes. I forgot I did some gymnastics to make it work, but I don't remember what I did. I mean, there was a trick. So I found out. I think this is ChatGPT that told me, like, if you error out, it will be set to your current shell session, if I remember, something like that. I don't know where did it go, but again, I think we can just start with uh, making it run, right? Okay, so command we do not need. I guess let me just comment this out. Rusty NV arcs. Prints arguments on a separate line. Oh, in Seahorse a CLI library. Yes, I mean, it's very similar to, I don't know, like, if you have used um, like CLI libraries in JavaScript, there is a very famous one. It's called CAC. Not wrong. It's called CAC. So this is pretty famous, and there is another one, and that's called that clack is one. There is another one. I just commander. I guess that's what it is called. Commander JS. Is this one? Yeah. Oh wow. The API looks surprisingly similar. So you create a program, then you keep spamming commands to it, and that's it. So it looks very similar, and I guess it also outputs, like, it looks pretty similar, I guess, right? So that's there. Uh, the thing with these kind of libraries is it's just super ergonomic to write uh, tools, because commands are basically functions, right? And the thing with CLI is, like, what you cannot do with GUI tools is you need to explain what's happening, or like what options are there or whatever, right? For example, if you're working with UI, you can just put a toggle, put a text, put an explanation, all that works. Uh, and to express that in a CLI tool, you need to put all this additional information, right? I think a library like this makes it super easy. You can just plug, and it just works, right? env args. Oh, that's a model. Okay. And I actually forgot collect takes anything retrievable turn into relevant collection. Yeah, correct. So which means it becomes a vec. Yes. What does it become? I actually have forgotten completely how everything works. Anyways, we'll figure it out. Name is single app. Okay. App is app. We'll call it root. Oh my god. Rotor and author is someone. Demo. Does this work? I guess I will throw an error because yeah. I still don't know like we are so spoiled by spoiled with tools like uh, why is it screaming? I think I need a return type, maybe that's why. There is definitely one syntax error somewhere. One second, did I delete something? Uh, okay. That says env. What is it saying? Multiple implementation satisfying from eternal create implementation is box. Bro, stop spamming this. Thank you. How do I react? Can I do short codes here? Oh, oh wow. I can do stuff like this. Nice. App is app. New is rotor. So why is it not formatting though? So weird. Type must be this one. Consider giving ags explicit type. Quick. Do I need to? Oh, I think I've forgotten everything about. Maybe I should just go back and read again. Okay, perfect. No wonder I was thinking it's not working. Okay. So we have author. Author is maybe Zoro. Thank you. Why are you spamming, bro? But okay. Thank you for joining. Description. So how do you change? Oh, it just keeps. Oh, it's so similar to doing it in JavaScript. Nice. One thing I like about library, so not library, like what Rust has done great, and I think I've seen it in a few other libraries. I think Zig also does the same. Gleam also. So the thing is like when you are working with a package, right? What you can do is you can directly go to the source and you have the entire docs and the implementation. Like the problem is most uh, most of the TypeScript JavaScript ecosystem is because it compiles right to JavaScript and that's how we publish. Uh, the issue that you see a lot is it's just a very different thing and most of the times it gets minified. So what you end up with it is some garbage that nobody understands, right? So that's there. But yeah, I mean, this is amazing. Quickly rotate between secret. I guess this is a very stupid use case though. I mean, why would you have multiple values of the same secret? But I guess I have. Usage, okay. Usage is rotor. We have command. We have. I don't think we have arg. We just have command. And then we have version. We don't care. What is action? Action also I don't know. What the fuck is that? So I'll just do dot run and we get rid of this. What does this return? Run returns a panic and a message. Okay. Also, why there is no return type? Does it like produce a self or something? Okay. Never mind. Again, I think we can still do this. Okay. So now it's time to try. I actually forgot how I was building it. I forgot. Not here. How do I forgot how I used to run. Ah, yes. Now I remember. It's cargo. Oh, oh wow. It's running. Nice. It says H is for help. Oh, does it do help though? Oh, that's different. And I do not want release and dev. Where is it again? It's a target dev rotor pin. Oh, nice. I don't know why it looks little weird, but I guess that's fine. We are just logging, so I guess that's fine. Okay, good progress. Let's see if we can. I don't think we need that because I don't think we need run help because technically that's taken care of it by that. What we need is we need a command for init, and I think that will serve as documentation for that command, right? So command new description does something, and you have add action which takes a context. I guess context comes from okay. Then you have it's basically a function execution map unwrap something. Okay, we don't care. So that would be init command, and that returns a command, right? So command new, and that would be init. Usage is rotor init description. Initialize the secret SVG file, right? Then you have distribution command is already done. I guess we have action, and that would be init. And that would fail. Oh, I do not want super weapon init action. Actually, in fact, let me stop super weapon. Beautiful. So no help at all. And that would be ZTX. Oh, I forgot how do you annotate again. Okay, select TypeScript. Cool. That's a reference to context. Beautiful. What else we have? We have help, string flag, boolean flag, blah, 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 and something. Okay. Let me see the type. This is used only for action arguments, context has arguments with flags and flag values removed from. Okay. Flags, you have help text. Okay. New source of context and more stuff. Get flag value. Cool. So we don't need to do anything here. And I guess we don't even need to read this. How do we initialize it? Again, I forgot. Like, what was the. There must be a source, no, that we write. That is different. Secrets doesn't exist. Writing to something. Okay. Init home directory, something. Config path is this. Oh yeah, we need to. Yes, I think all of this we need. Oh my god, so many errors. Okay. That function that can returns this, so I guess it has to return result. I don't think it has to return any value. That has to return app error. Work. Beautiful. Mismatched, expected, found unit type. Oh, it has to end. Secrets config does not exist. Writing to something. Okay. All of that is fine. This is also fine. So I think this is pretty. Rotor binary. Oh, okay. I think the anything the init command is sorted. Expected in this is found this. So it cannot raise. Okay, that is stupid. Why it can't raise? Command is here. But why it cannot raise? Oh. What is that? What is action result? Oh, okay. So if it is supposed to error out. Oh, that's good. So which means the error will mismatch. Yes. We need to morph it. That's fine. We can do that. Let me see the error. It's called action error. How can I go to action error? Action error is just error. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Okay, so I think we just need to wrap it. Action error. What the fuck is from? Convert to this type from the input type. I don't think that works. Of course. How do I fix this? How that fix action error? How do I convert this? They must have some example, no? Let me see. Instead, single, multiple flag. No, don't. Action. Okay. Here. Sorry. So, so this can just return anything. Its result. Huh. But why is it not working when I return my own error? Hmm. Oh, I'm feeling so sleepy. That should work. Let me see. I actually started. Is it? What is box? Pointer refresh to pointer. Okay. Okay, that is borrowed. Okay. Right like a pointer, but also additional method and calculating. Hey, I have read about box. I think it was there in ownership when I was reading about. I'm sure it was there. I think it was here, but okay. Because I remember I've seen it somewhere. Box rated 5. Box value to store return heap return. Yeah, correct, of course. What is that for? Yes. Uh, I'm thinking, should I stop today? Too sleepy. Okay, I'm sorry. I think it's better I go sleep. Also, I need a little bit of prep and just a recap on whatever I did a few months back in Rust so that at least I can do something meaningful because I think I'm getting stuck too fast. Uh, okay. That is a very quick stream. I'll see you folks again soon. Thank you for coming. Bye.